Be sure to visit the 2025 Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky, February 12th through the 14th. Be there. I will. Well, I don't know. Make these cute little by side. I have not seen this before. The Farm Tractor and Implement Show here in Louisville, Kentucky. We had a great time. Spent all day here. Saw everything there was to see. And what can I say? It's a must place to visit. It happens every year down here in Louisville, Kentucky, and has all the different tractor manufacturers that you can think of. Everybody and anybody is here, and a lot of YouTube personalities. So make it next year.